Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to combine videos on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know that how to combine videos on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on this plus mark. Now click on the upload icon and select videos which you want to combine. Let's suppose I am going to select these two videos. Click on next. In this way, your two or more than two videos can be combined together. From here you can add songs on your choice. You can you can add stickers, text, or you can crop this video. You can add other features. Thank you so much. In this way you can add one or more than one videos to combine. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.